Hello dear students, welcome again to online learning platform of SPPS INCAL. How are you all? Hoping you all are fine and safe at home. I am here with a new video. Today I am going to start our second lesson, that is An Alert Baker, Unit 2, Lesson number 2, An Alert Baker. Dear children, here the word alert means attentive or active, who had some sign, who had a sign of obstacle or deep problems, who had recognizing the deep problems, that is called attentive. So here word baker, it means a person who bakes bread or cakes. So an alert baker, it means the baker was very attentive or very active. The baker recognized the sign of deep problem in the right time. So this is the meaning of the title. In this session, we are going to study about introducing the lesson, reading 4 paragraphs, explanation and new words. So children, before we start this lesson, let us introduce the lesson. An Alert Baker is about an ancient incident. Ancient means very old incident. This incident happened between 2 countries. Here you can see the map. Austria country and Turkmenistan. So this incident happened between Turks and Austrian countries. Austria is the southern part of Central Europe and Turkey is a sovereign country in Central Asia. It is in Europe continent, it is in Asia continent. So here you can see their capital city. Vienna is the capital city of Austria, and this is their flag, and this is their coat, their symbol of coat armies, coat of armed. Next, Ashgabat. It is the capital city of Turkmenistan, Ashgabat. And this is their flag and it is their emblem. So this is a short brief note about these 2 countries. So the lesson is related to these 2 countries. So let us read the selected paragraphs. I will read these. You listen carefully, children. An Alert Baker. This incident took place several hundred years ago. A fierce battle was being fought between the Turks and the Austrians. Several lives had been lost on both sides. The Austrians had not considered defeat, but they had retreated into the safety of their capital city of Vienna. The gates were heavily guarded and no one could go out of the city for any work. However, urgent it may be. Sentries were posted all over the high walls, and they were keeping a close watch on the enemy. The Turks had surrounded the city of Vienna. Many weeks passed this way. People were in despair as they could get no food from the city, and whatever was within the city was fast getting over. If they did not surrender, they would die of hunger, and if they surrendered, the Turks would certainly put them to death. They felt trapped either way. Death, they felt, was imminent, either by starvation or at the hands of the Turks, means their enemies. As luck would have it, a very strange thing happened one day that saved them. A baker was preparing the flour that had to be made into bread the next morning. It was late evening and there was silence all around. Suddenly, he heard a strange rattling sound. It seemed to be coming from behind him. He turned to look, but the noise stopped. So these are the paragraphs, today's paragraphs. Here you can see the list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write down in your English notebook and underline these words in course book. Let us know the meaning of today's paragraphs. This incident happened many years ago. The battle means war held between two countries. What are those countries? Here you can see the two countries, Turkmenistan and Austria. These two countries involved in fierce battle. Fierce means violent, very violent battle. So many people died in this battle from both sides, means from both countries people were died in this battle. The Austrians had not conceded defeat. It means they had not admitted defeat, but they moved back to save their capital city from the Turks. Which city is their capital? Vienna. So all the gates of Vienna were closed. Nobody could go from the city at any condition. So to keep a close watch on the enemy, the soldiers were stood up all over the high walls, because the Turks had surrounded the city of Vienna. At any time they may attack the city, so that they were stood up all over the high walls. The situation continued for many weeks. People have no hopes from the city for getting food facilities, because whatever food within the city was getting over. They felt that no chance of living. If they did not surrender, they would die of hunger. If they surrendered, the Turks definitely killed them. They felt that death was imminent. It means death was definitely happened. occur either by extreme very hunger. Starvation means was extreme hunger, or by their enemies. Who enemy? Turks. Hand of the Turks, their enemies. So, at this difficult situation, suddenly a luck have given the chance to save them. One day, a very strange thing happened in Vienna city. What was that? Let's see. A baker was preparing the flour. Flour means wheat powder. Mixing the wheat powder. It was late evening and there was very silence all around the city. So he preparing the flour to make bread in the next morning. Suddenly he heard a noise, a strange rattling sound, means vibrating like tap tap tap. It seems to be coming behind him where he stood. When he turned to see, but the sound was stopped. So this strange incident was happened in the baker's house at that evening. So this is the explanation of today's paragraphs. Hope you understood clearly. So we will continue remaining paragraphs in the next session. Now children, take down the homework. Today's homework. Write the meaning of new words and a brief note about Turkmenistan and Austria countries in English notebook. A brief note means only a few sentences about these countries. It means what is the special and which is the capital city and their symbol, their flag. You can write about shortly. Only 2-3 sentences. And next one, read meaning of new words and whole lesson and underline the difficult words 2 times. I hope it is clear to you all and you will do with a neat handwriting. So we will back with the remaining paragraphs in the next session. See you again. Thank you. Have a nice day.